My favorite planet, Saturn, viewed from the front. But let's go behind it and view it with one of our satellites, and you'll view Saturn eclipsing the sun. One of the most stunning images ever to come out of the NASA portfolio. The sun is behind Saturn in this image. And the sunlight is illuminating the outer rim of the upper clouds of the ball. And you see the ring system illuminated from behind Saturn. Now, we're looking towards the inner solar system because the sun is behind Saturn. Saturn's far away. Saturn is 10 times farther from the sun than Earth is. So let's zoom in a bit. I see something there. Oh, there's a little speck. Oh, that's Earth, by the way. Sorry, I meant to tell you that. That little speck, that 4-pixel speck, is planet Earth.